We are now going to explore some of the other tools you can use to ensure that your rota model is complete. Remember, our objective is to have a rota model where every shift is recorded, even shifts we do not yet know who will work. The first tool you can use is the day analysis tool. Simply click on the day value at the top of the screen. This will then open up the analysis for that day. You will see how the day is broken down by hour. You can see of the staff members listed which staff members are working at which time. If you scroll down this page, you will see how many of a particular staff type are working. You can also look at this information from a night perspective. You can check each day on your rota using this method if you desire. The other important tool is the totals for each day. In this example, you will see the total staff hours total is 24 for each day. This is useful in informing us if the total staff hours are correct. Another really useful tool is called the ratio analysis. Before you can use it, you first must create a ratio analysis dataset. You do this by selecting Work with Rotas, Manage Staff Ratio Sets. Select Add New and enter a name for your dataset. You can have lots of different sets which can be used for different occupancy levels. You can now enter an analysis line. Enter a description. Assign a staff grouping based on the role or category of the staff. Enter the day of the week this analysis will relate to, the shift details, and the number of staff you expect to be working between those shift times. You can enter as many analysis lines as you want to ensure that you reflect the correct staff ratios for your organisation on those particular days. When you are happy, select Save Ratio Set. We are now going to analyse our rota model with our ratio set to see if there are any missing shifts in our rotated weeks. First, load your rota model by selecting it and then clicking on View Process Model. Once our model is loaded, we move our view to the Care Display group. We are then going to expand the bottom part of the screen and then expand further the bottom right hand side of the screen. Here you will see a list of ratio sets you can run against your model. Select the ratio set and then select Load. The analysis will be shown below. On our example, the analysis has highlighted that we are missing one member of staff on a Friday, week 2, between the hours of 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. If we move to that position on our model, we can see that the analysis is correct. We can correct this error by adding this missing shift to our placeholder staff member. Remember, we want to try and create a complete rota model, even at this stage that we don't know who will be doing all of the shifts. In our example, we move our placeholder staff member to the foot of the rota by changing the rota display order value.